So I have a thing I wanted to bring up to you.
Oh,
My
okay.
phone, I think, might be mad at me. I have an Android phone, and Google has a feature so that when I turn on my phone and I swipe over to the left, it has a bunch of articles that it recommends for me because they're like, hey, you're bored. We want to keep you coming back for more and more all the time. But this time, I think my phone was choosing violence because it recommended an article to me called How to Cook the Perfect Cicada. What the hell? Do you have thoughts and
Okay.
feelings about the Great Cicada Uprising?
So I saved two of them on my trip. I was pulled into a rest stop and I had the door open and one landed on the armrest of my door. And I automatically, bugs, hair, long hair,
Oh,
bugs, bad thing,
very
bad
bad.
thing.
Yeah, they want to live there.
So, yeah. And so I managed to get it out. I saved it. I didn't squish it. I saved it and I got it out of the car and I shut the door real
Mhm.
quick. But I probably murdered about 10,000 on my drive to and from. Not even kidding. I literally ran out of windshield wiper fluid. I had to stop at an advanced auto parts and they actually have, maybe it's a Northeast thing. I don't know, but they have a bug windshield sprayer stuff. You could either
Mm,
get like the all weather kind or you get the bugs. And I'm like, I need the bug ones because
mhm.
I ran into a bunch of sandflies, cicadas. I know more
Disgusting.
about bugs than I need to. And so, and one even got into the rental, and I was like, you poor thing, you just came out of the ground. So I'm going to save you and send you on your way. So I scooped it up in a little bowl and I threw everything out the door. Literally threw it and shut the door real quick so I couldn't come flying
Including
back
the bowl?
because,
Like the bowl's just
including the
gone
bowl,
forever.
it wasn't even my bowl. It's
Fuck
like
it.
charge me, bitches! I just saved a cicada.
Yeah.
So yeah, so wow, that's amazing that that recommended. It probably knew what I was going
Mhm.
through, and because of me, recommended it to you.
My phone is highly empathetic, and it's not
My
just
phone is
trying
an
to
asshole.